Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. So we are going to can some black beans. So I have some here. They're washed really well. Wash your beans super well. I have a half cup measuring. I have my measuring spoons because we're going to add some salt. My rings. My paper towels to wipe the rims. There's no grease, so I can just use water on these. And get my water ready. It's the only thing I did not do, so I have some filtered water. And this is simple. I'm going to add half a cup our washed beans to each jar. And you will get 5 jars, that's what I'm getting anyways, out of 1 pound of black beans. I have some chicken in my canner, so I'm just trying to fill up my canner. So I figured I'll do a bag of beans. Puff up a little bit when you wash them. Why is everybody all up and eating in the middle of the night? So I just divided those up. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt. To each one. And you could season these any way you wanted. But this way I can use them in any recipe that I want. Add our water, 1 inch of headspace. And how much they absorb is totally up to the bean. You just never know how much the beans will absorb. But this is the quickest, easiest thing to can. That you could do. And you'll have them ready and won't need to worry about water. Just open them, season them how you want, add them to whatever recipe you want. You're good to go. wipe our rims. A wet towel. Add a lid. How weird. Add them to the canner. I have 3 quarts of water in my canner. I have 8 jars in there. Got your legs stuck. So here is our V is on this side, so you want to find the V on your lid. Match them up. Lock it. And then when that pops up over there, and this has vented steam for 10 minutes, you will add your weight. When the weight comes to a soft rock, you will set your timer for 75 minutes. Meat and beans are the same time, so if you can't fill your canner with one or the other, make some beans or add a little meat to your beans. Because you get, like I said, 5 to 6 jars out of a pound of beans. It's just going to depend on the beans. And yeah, so I'm going to get this started, and I will see you when this is coming out. 75 minutes. Okay, everybody, our beans are ready. They look good. Looky there. You see it? Kind of hard in this light. So there we go. There is our canner of beans and chicken all ready to go. And I'm ready to go to bed. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I was almost asleep and I said, oh, I gotta get that out. So I was waiting for it to cool off. So yeah, to fill your canner, if you're canning something and you can't fill your canner, throw in some dry beans. Then you won't have to worry about having water and all of that to cook them later, and you can just throw them in whatever recipe you want to do, or make refried black beans. Those are really good. And throw them in salsa, chili, all kind of things. So excuse me, anyways, it's 3 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. Got my canning project done. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to sleep.